A fun-filled adventure for learning addition, Grade 1 Math. Hi, friends. Welcome to our learning adventure with Bright Spark. Today, we're going on an exciting journey into the world of addition. Are you ready to learn, count, and have some fun? Let's get started. Addition is like making new friends. When you put two groups of things together, they become more. Isn't that cool? Let's see how it works with numbers up to 10. Look at these apples and oranges coming together. How many do we have in total? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Numbers can be your friends too. Let's imagine these are your toys. I have 4 toys here, and I'm adding 2 more toys. How many toys do I have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 toys. Great job, everyone. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, let's use pictures to help us add. Drawing can make math super fun. Let's draw 4 flowers and then add 3 more. Let's count all the flowers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 4 plus 3 equals 7. Great counting. See how pictures make numbers come alive? You can try this at home too. Counting is a superpower for addition. Let's use these marbles. I have 5 marbles in my hand, and I'm adding 3 more. Can you count with me? We counted 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. You're doing amazing. Now, let's learn how to IT addition like math detectives. We can write it like a sentence. 4 plus 2 equals 6. That's called horizontal addition. Or we can stack it up like building blocks. It's the same answer, just written in a different way. Can you try writing your own equations? Grab a piece of paper and see what you can do. Let me show you a fun math tool called the Number Outline. You can jump along the numbers to help you add. Let's try adding 3 plus 2. Start at 3, then hop 2 spaces. 1, 2. Where did you land? Yup, on 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Why not draw your own number line and practice hopping at home? Addition is everywhere around us. Let's practice with a real-life example. Imagine it's snack time. I have 2 cookies, and my friend brings 3 more. How many cookies do we have for snack time? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yum, math is delicious. Now let's talk about a very special number, 0. If I had 0 toys to this basket, how many toys do I have? That's right, it's still 0. Adding 0 doesn't change the number. 0 is like a quiet friend who doesn't join in, but makes everything balanced. Now it's time for a math game. I'll show you a problem, and you solve it by counting. Ready? Here's your first challenge. 3 plus 4. Count it out loud. Did you get 7? Great job, everyone. Let's do another one. Let's warm up with a super easy one. I have 2 balloons, and my friend gives me 1 more balloon. How many do we have now? That's right. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Great job. Let's try another. Here comes the next challenge. I have 4 pencils, and I find 2 more pencils in my backpack. How many pencils do I have now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 4 plus 2 equals 6. Great work. Okay, math superstars, time to level up. There are 3 ducks swimming in the pond. Then, 4 more ducks join them. How many ducks are there now? Did you count 7? That's right. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now let's try a trickier problem. I have 5 yummy cupcakes, and my friend brings 3 more. How many cupcakes are there in total? Let's count those delicious treats. Did you say 8? You got it. 5 plus 3 equals 8. I think you're ready for the final challenge. Okay, math champions, here's your toughest challenge. There are 6 apples in a basket, and I pick 3 more apples from the tree. How many apples are there in total? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 6 plus 3 equals 9. Wow, you did it. Okay, one last bonus question just for fun. There are 4 toy cars zooming on the track. Then 4 more cars join the race. Can you figure out how many cars are in the race now? You got it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Amazing work, everyone. You're now officially math experts. Wow, you've learned so much today. We learned how to add with toys, pictures, number lines, and even practiced writing equations. You're becoming math superstars. Remember, math is all around you. Keep exploring, keep counting, and most importantly, keep having fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and come back for more learning adventures next time.